All right, so here we are, another Friday night in the garage. The plan for this evening, because on Monday we're going to pick up a super secret surprise for this channel. The plan for today is to attempt to clean up my control arms after the ball joints have been replaced. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna use a couple different degreasers here, and we're gonna do some real product testing. So Sam, I'd like you to introduce the products here to us.
We have the Super Clean.
Wow, yeah.
Which is purple.
Dissolves
Grease, super easy, super fast, and it's biodegradable, which actually is kind of nice.
You're welcome, Earth.
The detergents and surfactants are nasty.
And now we have our option B is
Clean Right Purple Power.
Ooh. So we've got these things
Industrial strength.
spritzed down. I'll see if I can give you a live look at, oh my gosh. So what we have here is we've got all these laid out. I've got some plastic bags around the ball joints because I'm neurotic. And Sam's convinced that none of this stuff will bother it, but I'm convinced that it will.
Everything's automotive grade, right? It should
Well,
be working just fine.
Everything here is free for Sam as well, so that's a consideration. Some people have to use real money to pay for car parts here, buddy. Unfortunately, I'm still working for my money.
You make it seem like I'm not.
Oh, I know, but you're working. Yeah, I mean, whatever. We're both working for our money. I'm sorry. I don't mean to make it sound like you're unemployed. Sam's very accomplished in his professional life, and I don't mean to diminish that. And I'm sorry. But anyway, we're going to report back as to whether or not these degreasers work and how it's going to go. We're going to let the operating procedure here, we're going to let it sit for a hot minute. We're gonna go do something. We got a little errand to run to prepare for our super secret Monday surprise. And I bought these things, these brushes, only the highest of quality from Advanced Auto Parts. And we're gonna, agitate some stuff, try and clean it up and see where we get. After about an hour and a half of cleaning, this is what we were left with. The aluminum cleaned up very nicely. And as far as our test between the two, I'm going purple power. The stuff came off a lot easier. I know they look like almost identical, but this super clean degreaser in the purple bottle on the right, that one took a bit more effort. And we just used some brushes, like brass bristled brushes. That's a weird thing to say. But pretty happy with how these turned out. Just wanted to clean them up, make them shine again. I've got some before pictures, which I'll post up over here. And then for the front lower control arms, those were looking pretty crusty and rusty, which I'll post a picture of that as well. And now I got these looking nice and black. I just used this VHT roll bar and chassis paint. I don't know, did a quick Google. There were some other things, but that's what was available kind of that day that I needed to do it, just so I can get everything back together. But also pretty happy with the finish on these. For a rattle can job, looks pretty good. And these are just about ready to go on. So pretty excited to record some more stuff and get the car back on the ground. Also still working on the wheels. But summer is approaching quickly and I want to get this all together. So look forward to sharing some more pics, and hopefully we'll have the car on the ground and driving soon. Sam, would you say that you're hurting for a squirting?
You know it.
All right, good to know.
Always.